Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm sharing the file NCM BBA Service Marketing, Unit 11. NCM Unit 11. Okay, the slide will be visible to you right now. Okay, Service Marketing. Okay, today, like managing people for service advantage. What are you seeing in your slides?
Chapter 11 को first please.
Yeah. Okay. So service delivery को लागि सबैभन्दा ठुलो रोल कसको हुन्छ? Who plays a major role in delivering the service?
Employees.
Yeah, employees, human, right? So
Yes.
service marketing is also related to human resource management. It's also related to marketing, customer relation, customer satisfaction, customer retention. That's also important. तर कस्टमरलाई रिटेन्सन गर्ने हो नि सबभन्दा पहिला you have to retain your employees, good employees, obviously. So employee retention, human resource retention भनेको again human resource. So if you have a very good human resource management, your marketing management is going to be good. And if your marketing management is going to be good, customers are going to come in again and again and spend money in your service outlet. Then hello, Janisha. Hello, Janisha. Call you back. I'm in a class. I'll call you back. एकछिनमा. I'll call you back. अहिले एकछिनमा. Janisha, I'll call you back. Hello. 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 Hello.
हजुर सर.
So, मैले के भन्दै थिएँ भने if your human resource is well, you will be able to motivate and retain your employees. And when your employees are being retained, you'll be able to keep your customer satisfied. That's marketing management. And when your marketing management is done, revenue is going to come. Revenue is going to come. So revenue, भनेको finance हो. So human resource management, then marketing, then finance. So managing people for service advantage, it's all about managing the human resources. So, अहिले के आएछ स्लाइडमा?
Importance of service staff.
Yeah, service staff is very important. Service personnel as a source of customer loyalty. If you want to make your customer loyal, it's all about how the frontline employees deal with them. So customer frontline employee is very important driver of customer loyalty. How the frontline employees behave with the customers. So they are like frontline employees are a core part of the product delivery. Yeah, service delivery and the frontline who comes in front of the customers, how they behave, how they deal with them, how they satisfy them, how they empathize with them. That's very important. Because these people represent the service from directly to customer. कोही सर्भिस स्टाफ मेरो घरमा आउँछ अफिसमा आउँछ र कम्पनीको बारे भन्छ मेरो लागि त त्यो मान्छेको फेसै कम्पनीको फेस हो नि त्यो मान्छे कतिको what a nice attitude, what a nice behavior, then I will build up a image of the company that she or he is representing. So frontline employee is a brand that they deliver. Okay, आफैमा एउटा brand हो, moving brand हो, brand promise of the firm, company को firm को brand promise है हो. So frontline employees plays a very key role in anticipating customers' needs. Customer ले के खोजिया छ, उलाई कस्तो प्रकारको सर्भिस खोजिया छ. You know, that's very important. कोही customer every time आउँछ कोक order गर्छ, कोक सँगै लेमन पनि प्लेटमा लगेर राखिदिँदाखेरि like the customer becomes happy भन्दा त्यो कुरा उले बुझ्नु पर्यो. कस्टमरले नमागिकन कोक मात्रै अर्डर गरेछ छ भने लेमन पनि उसित राखिदिनु पर्यो. So that's like, you know, understanding, anticipating customers' needs. र कस्टमरले खोजेको जस्तो सर्भिस, युनिक कस्टमाइज सर्भिस डेलिभरी दिनु पर्यो. You know, you have to go about building, the frontline employees have to go about building a personalized relationships. So personalized relationship build up गर्यो भनेदेखि each customer requirement, preferences बुझिन्छ. Then customizing the service delivery will happen. Then customer satisfaction happen. Then the profit is going to come. So service profit chain को कुरा गर्दैछौँ हामी. Chain profit कहाँबाट आउँछ? Employee satisfaction बाट आउँछ. Number 1. Employee satisfaction and employee retention and productivity. A satisfied employee will do good work, productive work भनौँ न एक हिसाबले. Okay. त्यसपछि सर्भिसको भ्यालु आउँछ. A satisfied employee ले मात्रै valuable service deliver गर्न सक्छ. And if the service has value, customer satisfaction and loyalty हुन्छ. Satisfied customers would want to visit your service outlet again and again. Then they will be loyal. Loyalty develop हुन्छ, customer loyalty. Customer loyal हुनु भनेको customer keeps on coming to your service factory again and again. Be it hotel, be it restaurant, whatever your service factory, right? Again and again. Even hospital, like if परिहाल्यो भने पनि hospital मा नै आउँछ. And what happens when the customer keeps on coming to your service outlet? Revenue growth and profitability. Revenue growth and profitability. यसलाई नै ultimately service profit chain भनिन्छ. It's called service profit chain. So the front line, you know, the value profit chain भन्दा treat employees like your customers. तिमीले आफ्नो employees like customer को रूपमा treat गर्नु पर्यो के. Number 1, because employees are your first customers. That's internal marketing. Then they will treat your customers good. So treat employees like customers and customers like employees, you know, vice versa. So the front line in low contact services जो हुन्छ, जो कस्टमर सित कन्ट्याक्ट हुँदैन, तिनीहरू भनेको एटीएम को युसेज, मेसिन्सहरू पनि स्मुथली रन गर्ने कन्डिसनमा हुनु पर्यो. यो त लो कन्ट्याक्ट सर्भिसेस हामीले पहिला पढाएको थियौँ. हाई कन्ट्याक्ट फेस टु फेस विथ द एम्प्लोइज. लो कन्ट्याक्ट भनेको यु नो यो मेसिन्सहरूबाट दिने सर्भिसेस, सेल्फ के भन्छ यसलाई, यो सेल्फ हेल्प मेसिन्सहरू भनौँ न. इन्टरएक्टिभ भोइस रेस्पोन्सेसहरू एकदमै एट्र्याक्टिभ हुनु पर्यो. when you call the machines is replying, VIR, interactive voice response, replying through email, nice words, you know. So occasional service encounter when the customer is meeting a service employee, that is called moments of truth. जुन हामीले पहिला पढिसकेका थियौँ, moments of truth हैन. So यो एउटा कुरा सर्भिस प्रॉफिट चेन भनेको कस्तो हुँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि, सर्भिस प्रॉफिट चेन, are you seeing the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Engaged employees will deliver great service. Engaged भनेको engaging in customer service. When they deliver great service, resulting in customer loyalty, loyal customer is going to give you profit, revenue and profit. So सबैभन्दा पहिला हाम्रो काम कम्पनीमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि HR को काम हुन्छ, human resource, people practices. Give them a very good workplace design, very nice working environment. Give them a very nice job design. Their responsibilities should be challenging. They should enjoy working. When you are going about doing, select the right employee. Employee selection development ekdam right hunu paryo. Wrong attitude ko employee select garna sir, even if you give them so many trainings and development doesn't work. So if you select the employee with the right attitude, training and development is going to work. If they perform, employee rewards and recognitions are very important for their motivations, you know. So these are tools for servicing customers. So people practices. So treat your employees well.
हायरिङ लेभलदेखि नै सेलेक्सन लेभलदेखि नै राइट एटिट्युडको एम्प्लोइज डेभलप गर्नु पर्यो, ट्रेनिङ एन्ड डेभलपमेन्ट गर्नु पर्यो उनीहरूलाई, एन्ड ट्रिट देम वेल. द्याट इज कल्ड एम्प्लोइ इन्गेजमेन्ट एन्ड अर्गनाइजेसनल क्लाइमेट. सो एम्प्लोइलाई एन्गेजमेन्ट, ट्रेनिङमा एन्गेज गराउने, कस्टमर सर्भिसमा एम्प्लोइ एन्गेज गराउने, मोटिभेसनल प्रोग्राम्समा एन्गेज गराउने होइन. सो यु डेभलप द्याट काइन्ड अफ वर्किङ इन्भाइरोमेन्ट. के हुन्छ? एम्प्लोइ रिटेन्सन हुन्छ. दे लाइक टु वर्क विथ यर कम्पनी, हाम्रै कम्पनीमा बस्छ. When the employees are enjoying the work and they're staying with us for quite a long time, their productivity increases, employee productivity. They can serve more customers in a more effective manner. Next time, next part by marketing, external service value, the value they deliver to the customers. Service concept and results for customers going to be very good. And then another important part in marketing, customer satisfaction. Satisfied employees will make the customer satisfied. External customer satisfaction will be there because of good service designed and delivered to meet target customers' needs. Need anusarko service deliver गरिरहेछ. So customer satisfaction हुनासाथ customer will keep on coming to your outlet. So customer retention, repeat business, and they'll also bring in new customers. That's referrals. Customer loyalty developments. So external service value leads to customer satisfaction. That will lead to customer loyalty. So loyal customer hunasat finance ma impact parts are revenue growth, profitability. So look at this chain: human resource, marketing, finance. Human resource, employee management; marketing, customer satisfaction to good service delivery from the satisfied employees, and that's going to bring in another chain: finance, revenue, and profitability because of loyal customers. So are you clear in this service profit chain? Can you go through this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aziko part, I think it's quite easy and important. अब frontline work भनेर आउँछ. So frontline workers भनेको those employees who will be direct in contact with the customers, right? They are called boundary spanners or boundary spanning roles ones, linking the inside of the organization to the outside world, the customers, the market, to boundary of the company. They're always within the boundary of the company where customer is in front. They're not staying at back as support workers, inside workers, outside, representing the company to the customers, like servers, doctors, teachers, faculties, guest relations manager, relationship managers, these people are always delighting customers, meeting their expectations, but remaining within company rules and policies. But sometimes to satisfy the customer, they might even go beyond rules and policies, which they have to later convince their management. Because customer satisfaction is even more important than just abiding by company rules and policies. Athwa cross-selling companies ko services products, different bank account and executive room. To the normal room ma aako customer la, why not you go to the suite? It's only 4,000 extra. अब अस्ति ब्याङ्कमै जाँदाखेरि सेभिङ अकाउन्ट थियो, जहिले पनि चिनिराख्ने, ए तपाईँ त धेरै सेभिङ अकाउन्ट भयो, वाइ तपाईँले एउटा फिक्स्ड अकाउन्ट किन खोल्नु हुँदैन, फिक्स्ड डिपोजिट एफडी भनेर सजेस्ट पनि गरे क्या. फिक्स्ड डिपोजिटमा तपाईँलाई कति फाइदा हुन्छ, तपाईँसित 5-6 लाख चाहिने नचाहिने पैसा छ जुन चाहिँ इमिडिएटली चाहिँदैन, वाइ डोन्ट यु पुट इट इन फिक्स्ड डिपोजिट. 1 वर्षको पनि एफडी हुन्छ हैन, 5 वर्षको पनि हुन्छ, कुनै कति कति भनेर मजाले क्रस सेलिङ गरेर आएको थियो क्या. त्यो बाउन्ड्री स्प्यानिङ रोलले कफी खान आएको कस्टमरलाई के भन्न सक्छ भनौँ त, क्रस सेलिङ के गर्न सक्छ, इन योर क्याफे हिमालयन जाबामा कफी खाना, सो के भन्न सकिन्छ, क्यान यु टेल मी? कफी खान आएको कस्टमर छ, व्हाट क्यान बी सेड? के क्रस सेल गर्न सकिन्छ होला कफीसित?
Cakes, cookies,
yeah, which is like coffee, cookies the complimentary. Why not? This pastries really goes well with this coffee. Why don't you try? Right? Like this kind of the attitude hunu paryo kya, boundary spanning. So there might be some sources of conflict as well. Person role conflict bhन्छ, matching personality, describing customers with negative flavors. Customer प्रति नै negative attitude employees को छ भनेदेखि how did we hire such a person भन्ने कुरा पनि आउँछ. त्यो हायरिङ सेलेक्सन मै ध्यान दिनुपर्ने कुरा हुन्छ है. पर्सन को नेचर अनुसार उसको सर्भिस नेचर को मान्छे छ कि छैन, त्यो ह्याप्पी गोइङ टाइप को मान्छे मात्रै हुनु पर्यो सर्भिसमा, फ्रन्ट लाइन एम्प्लोइज मा, बाउन्ड्री स्प्यानिङ रोल्समा. सो अर्गनाइजेसन क्लाइन्ट कन्फ्लिक्ट हुन सक्ला, कहिलेकाहीँ fulfilling customers extra demand, which is against the company rules. Customer le bhanla amalai यति पैसामा कफी के प्राइसमा पेस्ट्री पनि दिनु, यो पनि दिनु, कुकिज पो त कम्प्लिमेन्ट्री आउँछ, पेस्ट्रीज कहाँबाट कम्प्लिमेन्ट्री दिने, के गर्ने? अर्गनाइजेसनको पोलिसीले त दिँदैन। अथवा एउटा कस्टमरले भन्ला तपाईहरु मलाई नर्मल रुमकै रेटमा स्विट दिनुस् न, प्रेसिडेन्शियल स्विट। अब त्यो त कसरी दिने मिल्छ? नर्मल रुमकै रेटमा चाहिँ नि प्रेसिडेन्शियल स्विट दियो भनेदेखि त व्हाट्स द डिफरेन्स बिट्विन प्रेसिडेन्शियल स्विट एन्ड नर्मल रुम? कोही कस्टमर आउँछ मलाई इकोनोमी रेटमै बिजनेस क्लासको फ्लाइट दिनुस् न भन्ला। दिस इज अगेन्स्ट company organization ko policy, and there is a organizational client conflict. So how to deal with this, that is another part. अब client को बीचमा पनि conflict हुन्छ, you know how? client को बीचमा inter client conflict यो चाहिँ नि मलाई पनि धेरै भएको छ एकदमै। when you go to a theater, cell phone बजाइराख्छ एउटाले, ए बन्द गर्नु यार त्यो, I'm getting disturbed, त्यो कम्पनीको रिजन होइन, another customer को रिजनले I'm getting disturbed। or smoking, which I don't like, no smoking zone मा आएर गरेपछि अरु को कस्टमरलाई डिस्टर्ब भयो त्यो, making noise. So these kind of conflicts are called inter client conflict. And the previous one was organizational client conflict. यो भन्दा अगाडिको person role conflict, the service provider को personality is not matching. So these kind of conflicts हुन्छ in service business मा. So you should know how to manage it. अर्को emotional labor. Plastic smile भनेको थाहा छ? Do you know what plastic smile is? कसले गर्छ plastic smile?
Fake smile service providerहरूले जस्तै एयर होस्टेसहरु रिसेप्सन।
या plastic smile रिस उठिरा हुन्छ, उसको आफ्नो टेन्सन छुट्टै हुन्छ, स्ट्रेस हुन्छ, तर प्लास्टिक स्माइल गर्नुपर्छ के, that is emotional labor. एउटा मान्छे मन परेर हुँदैन त्यसले आएर कम्प्लेन। So artificial smile is very important. Extra politeness like Singapore Airlines. Emotional labor हो क्या यो भने। It's really difficult to be in service industry. Emotional labor भन्छ यसलाई। Service sweatshops भन्छ, call center CSRs, you know, कति कस्टमरहरूले they use so absurd languages to, you know, talk to the service providers. Like you call certain customers to sell a product, you know, call centers, but you know, so dealing with customers within a fixed time, उनीहरूले भनेको टाइममा appointment गरेर भेट्नु पर्यो, you know. So these people need to have some motivations, intrinsic motivations to be in the service centers. Customer service representatives are being constantly monitored by camera, call center मा. So यसलाई चाहिँ सर्भिस स्वेटसप्स भन्छ क्या। सो मोनिटर गर्नु कति मान्छेलाई मन पराउँदैन नि हैन, मोनिटर गरेपछि जहिले पनि अलर्ट भएर बस्नु पर्यो। सो कल सेन्टर्समा these customer service representatives, CSRs are always being monitored, हैन। These kind of environment are called service sweatshops. So these frontline works has to face so many things, boundaries spanning goals, they clear sources of conflicts, emotional labor, and service sweatshops. अब यहाँ अर्को पार्ट भनेको चाहिँ नि the cycle of failure. Customer is not satisfied. Sometimes customer satisfaction bhanda that's good, but if not, why? Narrow designs of jobs to accommodate low skills levels. Service staff like doesn't know anything about the food. Customer is asking menu मा गएर सोधेको छ, सर्भर लाई थाहै छैन यो के हो, यो के र के मिलेर मलाई त थाहै छैन भनिन्छ। Then why is that guy in the waiter or server को role मा किन प्ले गरिरहेको? Knowledge त हुनु पर्यो। Now there is a failure. Narrow design of jobs to accommodate low skill levels. The emphasis on rules rather than on service. अब sometimes भने नि employees ले भन्ला हैन, can I have a pastry? Can you give me a sample pastry? Because you have to give me complimentary. I've been coming here so much time. Like I've already ordered 2 coffees. Like you know, but why not you give me a pastry? The company हाम्रो यो rule को against भन्दाखेरि rule लाई नागेर पनि जान सकिन्छ कहिलेकाहीँ. Sometimes you are so much focused on the rules, you are saying no to the customer. Rule त मान्यो, but customer dissatisfaction बढाइदियो. So sometimes you might need to go against the rules. Why not? Okay, it's on me भनेर उसलाई ल ठीक छ एउटा पेस्ट्री फ्री गरिदियो, भोलि म्यानेजमेन्टले कराइहाल्यो ल मेरो स्यालेरीबाट म तिर्दिन्छु भनेर। लाइक तर satisfied कस्टमर त अर्न गर्यो नि, म्यानेजमेन्ट will be happy, they'll not cut their money. So त्यो पार्ट्सहरु पनि विचार गर्नुपर्छ क्या। These are the cycles of failures if you are so much powered by the rules, yeah? If we play by the rules, because our ultimate aim is to satisfy the customer. दिनै नमिल्ने चिज छ भनेदेखि त अब that's a different thing, but customer is just asking one piece of pastry. So do you want to follow the rule, or do you want to break the rule and give the pastry free? You know? So I mean, if you think that customer is going to come again and again. Also, use of technology to control quality. Always you're monitoring the employees, even you're dealing. Sometimes customers like ठिक छ कहिले काहीँ त नयाँ होला, robotले आएर सर्भ गरेको छ, तर every time people doesn't like. People want to get in touch with the humans. रेस्टुरेन्टमा पनि वेटरसित डिस्कस गरेर कुरा गरेर nice smile, exchange गरेर like food order गर्नु, they really like that. So excessive use of technology can also be a failure sometimes. अथवा low wage strategy accompanied by minimal selection of training effort. If the training पनि दिइरहेछ नि employees-लाई, then you are squeezing them. You're giving them very low wage or salary. How can you expect them to perform well? They'll be frustrated. And how can they even smile in front of the customer? That is another cycle of failure. And frontline staffs can be hostile towards customers sometimes. Service sabotage हुन्छ. कहिलेकाहीँ त अब त्यस्तै मुडी टाइपको एम्प्लोइज परेछ भने त कस्टमरलाई अब फिजिकल्ली ड्यामेज पनि गर्नु सक्ला, मुख छाडिदिनु सक्ला absurd वर्ड्सहरु युज गरेर. यो त सर्भिस sabotage हो. You can just imagine what the customer will do after that. Never come back, or negative word of mouth. The positive हुनुपर्ने ठाउँमा negative होदिन्छ. So these frontline employees are very, very sensitive. You really need to understand, do they have some emotional labor? Can they still bear all the stress, frustrations, anger, and deal very nicely and effectively with the customers? So these kind of cycle of failures does not happen. अब एभरेजको कुरा गर्ने हो भनेदेखि साइकल अफ मेडियोक्रिटी कहाँ हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि ब्युरोक्रेटिक अर्गनाइजेसन्समा हुन्छ. एम्प्लोइजहरु, कस्टमर्सहरु, खानेपानी, वाटर सप्लाई, नेपाल ओइल कर्पोरेसन्स, गभर्नमेन्ट अफिसेस, हुन त त्यहाँ पनि सर्भिस has been improved, but still अरु अप्सनै छैन. You have to get their service no matter how they behave with you. It's found in large bureaucratic organizations. They are not bad, they are not good either. So customers are held hostage. You have to get the service. If you go to municipality, they're not bad, but they're also not very good. Yeah. So this is mediocre. So service standard tend to be prescribed by rigid rules. हुँदैन भनेपछि हुँदैन. Narrowly defined jobs. आज तपाई 3 बजे भन्दा अगाडि आएको भए हुन्थ्यो, तर आउँदा आउँदै सब 3 भइदियो, के गर्ने त? गभर्नमेन्ट अफिसमा मान्दैन. पर प्राइभेटमा हो भने ब्याङ्कले तपाई आइहाल्नुभयो, ठिक छ, तपाईको डकुमेन्टेसन गरिदिन्छु. सब 3 भयो, नेक्स्ट टाइम चाहिँ अलिक चाँडो आइदिनु होला, अब आइ नै सक्नुभयो. They're so flexible. तर गभर्नमेन्ट अफिसमा हुँदैन. They are so rigidly playing by the rules. लन्च आवरमा हुँदैन. प्राइभेटमा त लन्च चाहिँ ढिलो गरेर पनि एउटा कस्टमर काम सकाइदिउ न भन्ने हुन्छ. So these kind of training focuses on learning the rules but not focusing on human interactions. Productivity is highly ignored. Training ले तिमीलाई फर्म कसरी भर्ने भनेर सिकाउँछ, त कस्टमरसित कसरी स्माइल गर्ने त्यो उसको विदिनमा हुनुपर्छ के है. So these are the cycle of mediocrity, average. अर्को पार्ट छ the cycle of success. Cycle of success भनेको it invests in people. It invests in people. Invests in their people. Broadens the job descriptions and empowers employees through training. So training and motivations. They'll give them challenging job. Employees are like this, so they'll feel proud. They'll invest so much of money, resources, and time to motivate and develop their employees. And more focused is on successful service companies. They're more focused on recruitment. They're very focused on selecting employees, remuneration, training packages, remuneration packages, motivations. And what are the result? Good quality service. Again, chain, high customer satisfaction. So this is the cycle of success. Train them, select the right employees, recruit the right employees, train them and develop them, motivate them, give them good remuneration and compensation packages. Obviously, the result is good quality service and good customer satisfaction. So this is the cycle of success. So cycles of failures, mediocrity, and success. Are you clear? Please ask me. Are you clear on this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, हामीले अहिलेसम्म गरेको भनेको wait, managing people for service advantage ma, importance of service staff, frontline employees, service profit chain, frontline work, boundary spanning, sources of conflict, emotional labor, and service sweatshops. Then cycles of failure, mediocrity, and the cycle of success. So human resource management ho kya yo service. I mean, you know, if you're into service management, if you're a manager of a company, or if you're a head or director of any service oriented company like hotel, restaurant, airlines, college, you know, a hospital, saloon, or whatever, you know, or a theater, you're always dealing with human resource. After all, 50% is human resource management. How can you better motivate your employees so that they will in turn motivate the customers to buy more from our service factory? So it's all about hiring the right people. In a service industry, the boundary spanners, you should really be very careful in hiring the right people with the right attitude, identifying the best candidate, and continuously training service employees very actively, qualitative aspects ma, behavioral aspects ma, and also quantitative report preparation aspects ma, you know, computer and software usage aspects ma. And always go about empowering the frontline employees. How do you go about empowering the frontline employee? Empowering the frontline employee, can you tell me alikati? कसरी एम्पावर गर्न सकिन्छ फ्रन्टलाइन एम्प्लोइलाई? फ्रन्टलाइन ल सर्भर रेस्टुरेन्टको वेटरलाई नै भन्दैन आई वान्ट टु एम्पावर द वेटर. कसरी एम्पावर गर्न सकिन्छ वेटरलाई?
कुनै सर्भिस फेलियर भयो भने तिमीलाई आफूले जे ठीक लाग्छ त्यसरी रिकभर.
Yeah, exactly. It's within you. Even sometimes if you require to give a customer who has a regular customer sometimes demands for some extra, but the company ko policy dine milदैन, you can do it. The management is not going to say you anything. भन्दाखेरि त कस्टमरलाई satisfy गर्नलाई उले free pastry पनि दिदिन्छ, free coffee पनि दिदिन्छ. This time on my account this is free because today I'm very happy. Like employees कति खुसी हुन्छ होला. एम्पावर गर्दै छ नि त उसलाई. उसलाई थाहा छ नि अब गाली गर्दैन मलाई भनेर. त्यो पनि गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ के कहिलेकाहीँ. So नडराइकन satisfaction, कस्टमरको satisfactionलाई प्रायोरिटी दिन्छ क्या. कम्पनीको रुलसित डराउँदैन, कस्टमरको satisfactionलाई प्रायोरिटी दिन्छ. So the frontline employees is not scared of the company rules, but is more focused on satisfying the customer. So sometimes you have to go about empowering the frontline employees. That's very important. So HR management, I'm talking about human resource management in service marketing. So building service marketing is good human resource management, by the way, right? Because services are delivered by satisfied employees. Service profit chain, always remember that. And building high performance service delivery teams. Service ma team up, hotels ma kasto marketing team, guest relations management team, you know, high performance teams are develop गर्नुपर्छ through motivating and energizing these people. Wow, जहिले पनि होटलमा मैले इन्टर्न गर्दाखेरि मलाई याद थियो कि म्यानेजर्सहरुलाई, एक्जिक्युटिभ्सहरुलाई, हेड्सहरुले जहिले यु डन अ गुड जब भनेर भनिराख्थ्यो. गुड जब जहिले पनि भनिराख्थ्यो. That is energy, giving energy, yeah, to do even more good jobs. It's not only about increasing the salary. Like headsले हैन good job यार भनेर like because it's because of you, like the customer is coming back again and again. This is motivating and energizing people. Money र ट्रेनिङले मात्रै मोटिभेट गर्छ भन्ने is not necessary. Good job. Sometimes verbal good choice of word use गरेर praise गर्यो भने that employee is going to be motivated and energized. So you should learn this people skills. This is one of the most important skills in the world if you want to be successful in any sector, in your own business, in your job, everywhere. If you want to be liked by many people, you should have these people skills. It's all about appreciating. सानो काम गराएछ नि appreciate गर्नु पर्यो. ठुलो कामलाई त गरिन्छ. Even small works should be appreciated. What a great job भनेर, you know. अनि अर्को लेबर युनियनको रोल्स, लेबर युनियनसित पनि राम्रो रिलेसन्स मेन्टेन गर्नुपर्छ. So this is human resource management. I think this is quite simple. Did you get it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So यसमा एउटा पार्ट मैले भन्छु सर्भिस लिडरशिप एन्ड कल्चर. क्यारिस्मेटिक ट्रान्सफर्मेसनल लिडरशिप चाहिन्छ. यो जहिले पनि एउटै प्रकारको लिडर होइन. इफ द एम्प्लोइज आर स्मार्ट, लिडरशिप पनि ट्रान्सफर्मेसनल हुनु पर्यो. Changes the values of the organization. Goals are change garnu paryo. Aspirations of frontline employees are always changing. Motivational aspects are change gardai lanu paryo. It's not always money works. अब केले मोटिभेट गर्ने? पहिला मनीले मोटिभेट गर्थ्यो होला 10 वर्ष अगाडि. अब होइन, च्यालेन्जिङ जब्सहरु दियो भने मोटिभेटेड हुन्छ. Now the leaders should understand that part. Even the motivating factors should be changed. And that's transformational leadership of the firm. हैन? So core values of a service firm के हुन्छ त? कुनै पनि सर्भिस फर्म बिच होटलकै कुरा गरौँ न. कोर भ्यालुज एक्सलेन्स सर्भिस, इनोभेसन, always give something extra to the customer, employees and customer, joy, working should be a joyful experience, teamwork, एक्लैले के गर्न दिने, टिममा काम गर्न सक्नु पर्यो, every service या everything is a teamwork, respect integrity of each and every employees, उनीहरुको पनि आफ्नो personal integrity होला, respect their values, and social profit. Social profit भनेको के हो? Can anyone define? Financial profit भनेको त 100 मा किनेर 200 मा बेच्यो, you have 100 rupees को profit. What is social profit? कति सर्भिस फर्मको social profit हुन्छ के? Financial profit is secondary, social profit is primary. What is social profit?
Good reputation.
Good reputation and a satisfied employees, you know, काम गर्न रमाइलो हुनु पर्यो के त्यो इन्भाइरोमेन्टमा. If employees are enjoying the work that they're doing in your service firm, then that means you already have social profit. And service culture के पैसा मात्रै कमायो, यो कस्टमरसित त पैसा झार्नुपर्छ भन्ने एटिट्युड होइन कि यो कस्टमरको मुखमा स्माइल राखिदिनु पर्छ. So that is a service culture. Service culture खाली मार्केटिङ म्यानेजरको मात्रै होइन, गार्डको पनि त्यही सर्भिस कल्चर हुनु पर्यो, शेफको पनि त्यही हुनु पर्यो, फ्रन्ट लाइन होस् या ब्याक लाइन होस्, जहाँ काम गर्नेको पनि एउटै मात्रै फोकस के हुनु पर्यो, we have to put a smile in the customer's face. त्यो service culture is very important. That shared values, customer satisfaction is our primary concern. We have to see the smile in her or his face. भन्ने एउटा shared values and beliefs are very important. अनि सबैले यो कुरालाई बुझ्नु भनेको shared values हो. So even the guard is going to behave very properly. The server is going to behave very properly. The floor manager is going to behave very properly because everyone has the same shared value, putting a smile in the customer's face. Money is secondary. Money I also. If customer smiles, then money is going to come. Very simple. So service culture हुनु पर्यो त्यहाँ. अनि अर्को the role of management, always support the frontline employees because they are the one who are delivering service excellence to their customers. So frontline employees are very, very, very important. So service leaders are interested not only in the whole picture of customer satisfaction, but also in detail. Each and every employee's work design, employee satisfaction, training and development, their compensation. So each and every details मा ध्यान दिनु पर्यो के. Customer satisfaction मात्रै चाहियो भनेर employees लाई पेलेर त भएन नि. Employee satisfy भए त customer satisfaction हुन्छ. The first job of the leaders, service leaders, are to satisfy the employees. And that is internal marketing. Employees are internal customers. So communication effort to shape the organization culture and get the message to the troops. Troops means our employees. Organizational culture constantly communicate गरिराख्नु पर्यो उनीहरुलाई. Communicating policies, rules, changes in service features, नयाँ नयाँ रुम्सहरु इन्ट्रोड्युस गरे होटलले. अनि सर्भरहरुलाई, गेस्ट रिलेशन्स म्यानेजरलाई त्यो कुरा त इन्फर्म हुनु पर्यो नि. So that they can recommend those rooms, new services, facilities to the guests. And also they should know the service standard to the entire team. They should communicate the service standard to the entire employee team. So communications, top level management should be in constant communications with the employees. And obviously our media uses, internal newsletter निकाल्ने, employees interview राख्दिने, magazines, confidential websites, corporate videos develop गर्दाखेरि employees त्यसमा portray गरिदिने television. So you know these kind of things to keep your employees happy. Training and development को कुराहरु आयो हैन. Communicating the policies को कुराहरु आयो हैन. मैले यहाँ training भनेर पनि राखेको थिएँ है. Training service. So are you clear in this part? Service leadership. Service को leaders, service industry को leaders ले के गर्नु पर्यो? Number one, you should be transformational. Core values should be shared with everyone. A service culture develop गर्नु पर्यो, not just to make profit but to provide service. त्यो customer आउन साथ के feel हुनु पर्यो? I am into a service company भनेर feel गर्नु पर्यो. Money त आइहाल्छ. Then role of the management is to constantly support the frontline employees by paying attention in detail and internal marketing, communicating with the service staff on a regular basis and motivating them. So are you clear in this part?
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Oh, everyone? All? Aru, Awaz? Girls, boys? Clear, Bhav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, I will go agadi ma के गर्यो हामीले. managing people, managing यसमा हाम्रो यो के रे सर्भिस मार्केटिङमा managing people for service advantage ma, it's all about importance of service staff, service profit chain, frontline work, cycles of failure, mediocrity and success, human resource management, on service leadership and culture. That's it. So I made it very effective and short, I think. As यति नै हो यसको चाहिँ नि. To the point you have to understand, क्या focused. So are you getting me? Hello?
हजुर सर.
बुझ्यो नि आज to the point मात्रै मैले गरेको, so like you can also guys relax.
Sir, are you planning to finish this course?
Yeah, I think भोलि कति लामो हुन्छ हेरौँ, सक्यो भने सक्यो, सकेन भने सकेन. मिड टर्म पछि त एक्टिभिटिज, असाइनमेन्ट, रिभिजन्सहरु गर्ने प्लान छ मेरो.
भनेपछि यो एक्जाममा सबै 12 वटै च्याप्टर आउँछ?
14 वटा राखिदिन्छु म. एक्स्ट्रा दुईटा खोजेर च्याप्टर किताबबाट नभएको पनि खोजेर राखिदिन लाग्छु मैले. 12 वटा युनिट छ अनि किताबमा त 14-15 वटा हुन्छ, त्यो अलिकति नभएको पनि के अलिकति किताब पनि पढ्नु पर्यो नि त हैन? हुन्छ कि हुँदैन?
सर बुकै छैन नि त.
बुक ई बुक पनि छैन?
बुक खोज्नै पर्छ.
म मिलाएर राखिदिन्छु नि, हेर न. गर्न सक्ने टाइपको राखिदिन्छु म, डोन्ट वरी. यु अल क्यान डु इट. असाइनमेन्ट अल ओपन सोर्स त हो, इन्टरनेटमा अनलाइन बुक एउटा खोजिराख्नु पर्ने. मसित छ भने म शेयर गर्छु, हेरौँ. सर्भिस मार्केटिङको फेरि हेभी होला फाइल. लेट्स सी, यु गाइज ट्राई टु फाइन्ड अनलाइन बुक एकचोटि. अस्ति अनि कलेज त गइरहेको रहेछ त, लाइब्रेरीबाट किन ननिकाले? Why didn't you get it from the library?
छैन सर, लाइब्रेरीमा लिमिटेड नम्बरको छ.
ई बुक पनि छैन. एकचोटि अनलाइन खोजौँ. I will also try to find, let's see. Or else अब स्लाइडको भरमा मात्रै त अलिकति त्यो हुने. मसित बुक छ, अब हाउ क्यान आई मेक इट अवेलेबल? अब कसैले चाहिन्छ भने अब कि भोलि मैले अवेलेबल गर्न सक्छु, निस्किन्छु म, गिभ मी अ कल. तर एउटा मात्रै छ, कतिजनालाई दिने अब एउटा छ. लाइब्रेरीमा हुनुपर्छ. Okay, anyway, बुझिरहेछ नि हैन? You guys understanding?
Yes sir.
मेन कुरा त्यो हो. Okay, then come and camera सबैजना एकचोटि. अनि यो एक्जाम सकेपछि नि म फोकस गर्छु असाइनमेन्ट एक्टिभिटिजमा है. अब के असाइनमेन्ट पनि भोलि नै दिदिनु पर्ने, भोलि नै दिदिन्छु कि त नभए एक्जाम पछि दिउ कि के गरौँ? असाइनमेन्ट एउटा पनि दिन पाएको छैन, मलाई अलि अप्ठ्यारो लागिरहेछ.
सो एक्जाम पछि दिनु.
मैले तर कोर्स सकेपछि मात्र असाइनमेन्ट दिन्छु अनलाइनमा भनेर भन्न त भनेको थिएँ. बट यु मस्ट बी क्वाइट वरिड एन्ड बोर्ड वाइ असाइनमेन्ट इज नट कमिङ भन्ने हिसाबमा सोचिरह होला. अब म बिस्तारै बनाउनेतिर लाग्छु.
डेडलाइन एक्जाम पछिलाई गराइदिनु न, अरु सब्जेक्ट पनि
त्यही मिलाउँछु. डेडलाइन एक्जाम पछि नै हो. ओके, एनीवे. ओके, I will just take the screenshot again. Okay, I think you have been receiving the videos and the slides, right? All of you have been receiving the videos and slides, right, Rasha?
मैले त प्रोवाइड गरिरहेको छु सर.
And मैले पठाएको videos and slides you have been receiving, right?
Yes sir.
Okay then, that's good. Okay then, thank you. Start preparing. I know. So here they got slides for the exam. So I'll make it very short. भोलि बिहान हुन्छ कि 2:30 मा हुन्छ? I'll inform you tomorrow नि है. दुईटा मध्ये एउटा गरौँला नि है.
हुन्छ सर.
तिमीहरुको के काम छ? If you have something else morning मा यो गर्दा चाहिँ त्यो पनि please communicate with me. Which of the time is convenient for both of us, we'll do on that. Okay?
हुन्छ सर. त्यही भोलि त त्यही एउटा मात्र क्लास छ 8 बजेदेखि, त्यसपछि त केही छैन.
Let's see, I'll also check out my schedule and जुन बेलामा ठ्याक्क टाइम मिल्छ then we'll catch up है त. Either 2:30 maximum when 3 हुन्छ कि 2:30 or 3 or 10, त्यो दुईटा तीनटामा एउटा 10 2 or 2:30 or
Okay,
max
sir.
3 I know. Yes, okay. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. 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 Thank you. I'm stopping the recording.